what I do is, if you're hearing stories in the news about incidents happening around the world, look at the country that you're planning to work in, do some research on those incidences that have happened, how recently they've happened, and what has been done to help mitigate those things moving forward. Do some research on those companies and what kind of changes that they've made. A lot of companies like that. If you have an incident, there's usually some kind of obligation to kind of talk about what happened and report about it and talk about what you're doing to mitigate it. Usually, there's a lawsuit, and there's a lot of news around these things because you're already hearing about it. So I just encourage you to research it more for yourself, and see if you're comfortable with it. I'd say that I don't think that chemical engineering and working in the plants in the U.S. is any more dangerous than any other job. I think that there's a lot of really good safety regulations in place to help keep these plants running safe. It's very important. Safety is the most important thing in this industry. So, ask those questions whenever you're interviewing. If you get to the point where you're pursuing jobs, but okay, I guess you're still in high school. What I just ask yourself is, research the companies and what they're doing for safety,